All right guys, welcome back. I'm over here at the inlet. I don't know what's gonna be here today. It's the day after the storm, so fishing could be good or it could suck. I'm gonna try for some fluke and maybe some Spanish or blues. I got a little spoon, deadly dick tied on there. So let's start making some casts and see if we can find anything. Water's murky over here at the end of the jetty. Woo! This thing's definitely splashing, holy crap. All right, I'm giving up on the spoon, giving up on the jigging spoon. I'm going with a bucktail. I know the gulp on the back is big, and I'm not running a teaser either. I'm just running straight bucktail, but I don't even know if we can get down to the bottom, so we will see. I think the 1 ounce is actually getting down there, which is good. So I feel like we need a big fluke to eat it. I've been jigging for like 10 minutes now. Nothing. There we go. That's a good fish, guys. I knew it would happen. Shaking a lot. What is sea robin? Fluke? There we go. Well, that's a short, but first fish of the day. Let's let him go. See you later, man. Well, that's promising. I got a feeling that they're a little bit closer in. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Oh man, that's big. Feels like good weight. Oh my God, is that a big doormat? Holy crap. Yeah! Woo! Oh my God, guys. That is the biggest fluke of the year. Woo! Oh my God, guys. What in the world? I gotta get this in the cooler and then get back out there. This is my biggest fluke ever. Yes. Oh my God. Look at the size of that thing.
How, did you measure it?
No. Oh my.
Is he what you caught?
Oh, of course. I've never caught one that big. 23. I'm gonna show that fish again, but I was not expecting to catch my PB fluke right there. I mean, that thing is a doormat. High tide right now here is 9 o'clock today. It's the day after the storm, so there must be some big fresh fish here. That's really just what it comes down to. He could have came off at any moment there.
You're at pounds. Yeah. 4 pounds. 4
Nice.
4 1/4.
Awesome.
Not bad, right?
Yeah, that's my biggest this year. All right, guys, so I didn't get a chance to show you that fluke back at the ocean, but let's check them out now. Wow. Oh man. Look at the size of that thing. This thing is huge. That is definitely a trophy for me on the surf, guys. I know that the fluke get much bigger than that in New Jersey, but to get over a 4-pound fluke from the surf, that is just the best it gets for me, guys. I'm gonna go into detail about filleting this guy up, so let's get back into the kitchen and do it. All right, so he's completely dried off now. You got a nice sharp knife, and the first thing we're gonna do is enter right through here. Right up, all the way. Okay. Now it's got a line here. It's gonna follow that all the way down. And you can hear that. You can hear the knife clicking. All right, now these bones, you can see here, you can open it up with your finger and see that it kind of runs on an angle. So you're gonna angle that knife right down, the whole thing, okay? Kinda, see you're clicking right against it. You can do it all the way over here too, the little rib cage right there, okay? You'll take your time, kind of just lifting it up. It'll kind of free from itself over here. You can almost pull it away. All right, now we're about here, and you can see, you just follow that line. Keep following it. All the way till you're out. See, a lot of people don't get that meat over there by the belly. All right, and there you go. First fluke fillet. I'm gonna lay that in the sink right now. Got that piece of fish, take that knife, run it right under there. And just pull that skin, okay? As you can see right there, skin comes right off. Same thing. Feel around for bones. There's a residual bit right there. Pat them off a little bit. All right, and that's right there, guys. That's 4 pieces of fluke. Really good amount of meat from that. So let's portion this up. I think I'm just gonna cut this one right in half. All right, I think I'm just about out of time for this video, so the next video will be all about cooking that fish up. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.